choker.
Yep.
Looks mint.
Other than the occasional damage from it shaking itself apart.
When it's rigid with these, it just makes it stronger.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like that box. Looks good. Stops the box with flex.
It's nice. Gotta have the crush round. That's nice. High school.
It's definitely something to look at, huh, Derek?
Yeah, it's nice. It is. I like how you got the
I love it.
Yeah, all opened up.
There's a fan right in the center there. That's pretty friggin' neat. I like this. Holy shit.
It used to win back in the day. Nowadays, I think I'm screwed against you guys. It's my first competition with it.
Looks really nice.
I've been trying to find competitions around, but there's never any in my area.
Yeah, it's the story of my life. I have to travel like 100 plus miles if I want to go to a show round trip. It doesn't have much rattle either. Sounds good.
Thought they were going to hit bottom, but
Where's the dual walkie?